Well, folks, remember some time back there were some murmurs going around all over the internet that quad channel was going to come to AM5 or be brought back on the AM5 platform. And eventually, after time passed, it just disappeared and the rumors completely stopped. However, may not be so far off the mark because a motherboard manufacturer has something to say about this and they could potentially be reintroducing the quad channel memory. Let's get into this. Hey everyone, it's your boy Tech back in with some more tech news. Fresh off the weekend, happy Father's Day to all you fathers out there. I know it was yesterday, but it's Monday. So happy Father's Day to you fathers out there. I just caught wind of an article on videocars.net, typical, either is usually the DIMM or WCCF Tech, that quad channel may or may not be coming back. And I reason I say this is because MSI, the motherboard manufacturer, recently sent out a AGESA update for their BIOS that supports 4 64 gig sticks for DDR5. They didn't get into details about the frequency, like the speed of them or the timings, but they released a AGESA BIOS update on MSI motherboards for AM5. I think it's across all their chipsets, so it means 850, X70, and X70E for MSI. And it's supposed to, according to them, it's been working. Their AGESA update allows them to use 4 64 gig sticks. That's insane. But if that doesn't scream quad channel memory making a comeback, I don't know what is. And the fact that that's like the most motherboards nowadays max support like 256 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes. And funny enough, 4 64 gig sticks equate to 256 gigabytes. So you pretty much could fill all your slots now. If you have an MSI motherboard from this generation, you pretty much could fill all 4 of your slots now. So I know there is off and on a couple other manufacturers that's tried to do it, but majority in consensus, the main thing is just 2 sticks of DDR5 is fully supported for both the X3D and the non-X3D SKUs for their memory controller for Zen 5. So, but now, if since MSI is coming out now and they confirmed and tested that 4 64 gig sticks DDR5 can, or the update does make them work, this could potentially mean quad channel, because I don't know of any 4 sticks in the same motherboard running on a dual channel. So it's kind of exciting to see. I hope more manufacturers for motherboards take suit or follow suit, because honestly, I really miss quad channel memory, because quad channel memory is not as good. It's good, but of course dual channel is faster memory when it comes to gaming, if you're just doing straight gaming. But if you're doing if you have a multi-purpose setup, like you do streaming, gaming, productivity, all the 9 yards, all the heavy lifting, 4 gigs is actually more beneficial, because yeah, it has more increased latency, but that way the memory controller is balanced out better to do all these tasks. Hence why quad channel is such a beloved channel config, so to speak. So if MSI is doing it, and across all their new AM5 chipsets, I'm hoping that all the other manufacturers follow suit and actually do this fully bring quad channel back, because this would be really good news, especially for people like me that used to do like editing, gaming, and now I'm also trying to get into streaming. So all 3 of those things can do heavy lifting, and quad channel probably at good frequency would probably be a good memory config setup. And when it comes to quad channel memory, it's good, like a good timing would be like 36 36 36. I know 36 is not as fast as 30 CL cast latency, but for quad channel 36 36 36 is pretty damn fast, are pretty tight timings. So if other people outside MSI do start implementing their own AGESA updates that support quad channel, I am looking forward to see all full DDR memory slots filled again on motherboards, so people's setup don't look as empty as they do. That's 2 lonely looking sticks, RGB or not RGB. So I'm kind of looking forward to this. They mention they said it was just released recently. Maybe it's a month of June. They didn't say the exact date, but they say it's again has a push out already to all their X870, and B850 chipsets. And I don't know if you have MSI motherboard AM5 already. Let me know in the comments below if y'all got the update yet for the AGESA, or if y'all plan to update to the AGESA so you can have 4.6 if you currently have 2. Until then, this is BioS signing out.